The JOYDEEM JD-PB270 Soymilk Maker delivers smooth, pulp-free plant milks and hot drinks with a powerful 800-watt motor that handles dry beans without pre-soaking. Its compact design and adjustable capacity between roughly 300 and 600 milliliters make it ideal for single servings or small households that want fresh drinks without waste. The 7 preset programs cover everything from soy milk and nut milk to baby food and simple juices, so one appliance can replace several separate gadgets on your counter. A built-in delay timer lets you schedule drinks up to about half a day in advance, so warm soy milk or porridge can be ready when you wake up or return home. The automatic cleaning cycle, paired with a separate wastewater cup, keeps the jug and internal parts surprisingly easy to maintain compared with traditional soy milk machines. Thoughtful noise-dampening touches, including insulation and shock-absorbing details, help this hot blender run quietly enough for early mornings or late-night use.